Hi everyone. I just wanted to begin by saying thank you for your continued interest, likes, and views. We have a lot of fun making these videos, and it means a lot to us that, perhaps, this may spark an interest in you to do some woodworking as well. Today, we'll be offering something a little different than usual. Our craftsman has decided to take a couple of months off, so we decided to take a couple of our early videos that ran long and condense them down to a more palatable size. This is the first. Do you remember our Mosaic rolling pin? No? Well, here's a refresher. The Mosaic rolling pin is made up of 3 or more contrasting hardwoods, in this case, maple, walnut, and Purpleheart. 12 sections are cut at a 30-degree angle, glued together to form a cylinder, cut further into sections of 1/2 to 1 inch, and then glued again in such a way as to form the mosaic pattern. Because table saws do not cut at a 60-degree angle, our craftsman uses a specially designed jig to perform 6 of these cuts, while the other 6 are cut flat on the tabletop against the previous cuts. Three pieces of differing hardwoods are glued together to form an arc, which is then 90 degrees if viewed from the end. Subsequent to that, 2 of these glued pieces will be glued together to form 180 degrees if viewed from the end. And then, it's on to the last 2. Finally, the 2 180-degree pieces will be glued together to form a full cylinder. Once glue is applied to the 30-degree sections, which have been glued together to form the 90-degree angle, they are wrapped in wax paper to protect them from attaching themselves to the clamping blocks. Here, a pair of 90-degree units are glued together to form a 180. Finally, the two 180-degree units are glued together to form the cylinder, from which the sections will be cut. The glue has dried, and now sections will be cut into random lengths between 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Following this, each section will have a 1-inch hole cut into the center of it on the drill press. Ends have been previously made and bored out to 1 inch. A 1-inch dowel is glued into one end, following which the cut sections will be glued and added to the dowel, making sure to turn each new section so they carry on a random pattern. Remember, we're aiming for a mosaic here, not uniform designs. glued unit is placed in this specially designed clamp, then left for 24 hours to set. Following this, the unit will be pared down on the table saw to facilitate the lathe work. Lathe work begins. Sanding begins. Sanding starts with 60 grit, then 80 grit, 120 grit, 180 grit, 220 grit, and finally, our best friend, 280 grit. Aluminum decorative pieces are glued and screwed to each end. Finally, a generous coat of mineral oil is added. How was that? Did you enjoy taking a second pass at this rolling pin as much as we did? Stay tuned for our next video when we'll revisit another early craft. Woodworking can be dangerous and should be limited to persons with the skill and proper understanding of the safety requirements needed to use the tools involved. As always, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. Until next time.